She won't let you stop, huh?
Nope. What you doing, Katie? Huh? Huh? What you doing? What you doing?
You try to work on your computer.
What are you doing, Katie? Hmm? What? 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 You're a pain. You're a pain in the butt. You're a pain in the butt. You're a pain in the butt.
See, this is what happens when you spoil her. She won't let you work.
What? Oh, your hands are... What? What, you want on the computer? You want to work on a computer? Huh? You're a pain.
Alright, let her do that again.
Ow, no biting. What are you doing, huh? Huh? Hey, don't scratch the computer. What? 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 What?
Get him.
What?
Get him. Beat him up. Get him. Get him, Katie.
Come here, Katie. What? What are you doing? Huh? What? 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 Oh. Oh, really? Is that right? Huh? Is that right?
You spoiled, huh?
Hey, what are you doing? Oh. Oh.
Get daddy. Get daddy.
Huh?